Hello! Now I'm gonna help you resend your ticket to email address. Go to our website alocubano.se and click on Get Your Ticket. Here, click on Manage Tickets. Now fill in your email address, but it must be the exact same you have used when you made the purchase. Click I am human and again get your secure login link. Now you got new email in your inbox and it looks like this. It's from AloCubano. And here you have further instructions and a button. When you click on Manage your tickets or items, you will receive instruction on how to retrieve your ticket. Thank you.